and welcome to another episode of Your Semmelweis. My name is Rania Aladdin, and I'm a medical student here at Semmelweis University. Today, I'll be showing you different ways to find events in Budapest. Whatever you may be into, to be honest, just go and look on Facebook. To find all of the official university events, you can follow our Facebook page, Semmelweis Students Union, or HOOK. If you're on your phone and you're looking through Facebook, open whatever page you're interested in. When you press on the More tab, you'll see an icon saying Events. Press on Events and you'll see all of the events that page is offering. Now, if you're a little bit more spontaneous and you just want to see what's going on that weekend or that same day, you can go on Facebook, and on the right corner you'll see the menu that shows your profile as well. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see a bunch of icons. Press on Events, and through there you can filter whatever type of events you want, the dates, the times, and choose whatever you like. Now, another way to find events would also be by checking your email. It is a little bit boring, you get a lot of Neptune messages there, we know that, but sometimes you find a few golden eggs where you can get invitations to certain university events, maybe more official like a conference, or something more fun, for example the Semmelweis Ice Carnival. You can also find more information via our YouTube channel, our TikTok and Instagram accounts. Additionally, every year we create a new WhatsApp group for the incoming students. You can join that group, and there our medical student representatives will regularly update the new students about everything that's going on in the university. And of course, one of the best ways to find other events is just through the word of mouth. Talk to people, get to know people, take these last-minute invites, and just have fun. Thank you for joining us for another episode of the Your Semmelweis series. Let us know what else you'd want to hear or what else you want to know, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.